I'm Sarita from Mumbai. I've been attending this Osho workshops since many years, and I've recently just today I have finished the camp with Agni, and I have no words to explain the way she's so heavenly and divine. It's on her face. She's so kind, and I really love attending her workshops because I think she has got everything. She has done so much in her life, and she's a life coach. So, the educated person also comes out with her. Not only she's a facilitator, but she also gives a divine knowledge, and also she makes you a complete person. She also gives you the things about the life, so that you become a very good and a better person with positive affirmations in your life. And I think she's just superb. So I really, because of her, I came here all the way, and definitely I'll say she's just superb. And I just want to thank her, and thanks to everyone for arranging this, and thank you so much.